Hello. Please excuse my layout. This one's actually being torn down. I'm actually finishing this room off, but I did want to put this out there because there's not really any other videos out there. I did want to kind of show off here the Atlas O Reading, Blue Mountain, and Northern passenger set. Now, I only pulled out this one car, but I wanted to kind of show the comparison between this one and the Lionel. Two car sets that you can get. For starters, you can obviously tell the reds are different. I will say, living close to the Reading and Northern, there are different tones of reds in their passenger cars between some of the newer and older. So that, to me, if you're looking for any kind of realism to it, if anything, actually the Lionel may be a little bit closer on the red, although I think theirs is a little too bright. I do believe the Atlas is a little dark, so but they do, in my opinion, pair up well, knowing what the real excursion trains actually look like. I will say the Atlas comes with the diaphragms installed. The Lionel one does come with diaphragms, but you have to put them on yourself. I'm not looking at assembling these all together right now because everything's getting packed up anyway to make way for the new layout. You can also see the lighting difference. Now the Atlas has these plain clear windows, and they actually kind of have the blockade on the bathroom window. And when you come over here to the Lionel, they use like this green tint window, and you can actually see the bathroom in there. Kind of interesting. You got the bathroom in the first window and a sink in the second. The coaches, the seats in here are actually brown, which they are on the actual Reading and Blue Mountain Northern trains, at least the cars I've been in. And it is nice that they do put figures in these, and they're not just like a molded in figure, they're actually like a painted, separately applied figure. They do have the better probably use my right hand here. The doors on these are like spring loaded. The Atlas ones are actually molded in, they can't be moved. But they do have a little more detail, I think, on the Atlas as far as like these handrails, the brake wheel, the grab irons on both are actually separately applied. The step detail is nice on both of them. Actually get some watch your step writing on the Lionel one. Obviously, they have the 3-axle trucks on these heavyweights. Only the 2-axle on the Reading from Lionel. You also have different roof contours, which could just be a matter of the car. I'm not 100% sure on that one. I've never actually taken notice of that. But again, they are both very nice pieces. But if you are looking to have matching paint between the two, you might as well forget that. But as far as size-wise, they are pretty proportional. I do believe the Lionel one might be just slightly longer. I'm not 100% sure. Just slightly off in the coupler alignment. But I did not take the cardboard spacers out of the Lionel one either, so that could be pushing it down. But I did want to put this out there because, like I said, there are no videos that I could find on comparison. So I thought maybe this would help the next person out. And actually right now, as I'm filming this video, the Lionel sets, pack 1 and 2, trainworld.com actually has them on sale for, I believe it was $179 a set. And I'm trying to remember, I used a promotional code that was for the holiday that actually got me an additional $15 off. The Atlas one, if you can find them at a dealer, they are retailing, I believe, the retail on these I think was $4.59 if I remember correctly. But I'm sure if you have a reputable enough dealer, they may have it at a slightly lesser price. But these were pretty much a built to order, as most Atlas stuff is. So quantities are limited. I will say I've also seen the Riding in Blue Mountain Northern Lehigh Gorge scenic train that is in blue, and I will also say that that is very nice too. I don't think Atlas will produce anything that is less than par, if you ask me my opinion on it, but again, that's just my opinion. So once again, I'll pan over them. You have your Lionel, and this is from pack number 1, and the Atlas O. Hope this helps you out. Thanks.